Alrighty. Yep, let's go. It is definitely basketball time, guys. I should have broke this hours ago, but I was trying to make it all work for this evening. Yep, I'll give you guys a minute to chat. See if that Lakers owner wants to work out a deal. If anybody wants to do trades or whatnot, trade teams, sell, whatever, now's your chance. I'm going to start out with Tmall and we'll end with the Mosaic. I'm just going to open the boxes here, get everything laid out, and we'll get going in a minute. Yeah, people want them Lakers, man. Yep, I pulled some Spurs, so you might be at the right spot, man. I have been a Spurs puller for sure. For personal, but even on these, I think we pulled... I know we pulled a nice Luka. I can't remember, because I didn't break some of these. I had another guy break a couple boxes of these as well. But this is the last of this case. I'm going to try to get some more. I do have Tmall Optic should be here Monday. I'm going to post those later tonight. I'll get them on eBay. I'll put up some randoms on the Facebook page here. That way somebody can possibly get lucky and win the Grizz or the Pelicans without having to spin an arm and a leg, because I know how that goes. It's expensive. Like I didn't win this Zion in a random. I actually traded, but I traded a card. I won in a random. So I mean, randoms can get you some wins. I got another Zion that I pulled in a random. Let's see if I can find it. It's worth seeing. This was a win from a random. Right there. I pulled this in a random. Easy, good $1,000 card there. Unfortunately, they say the surface is bad. Or no, I'm sorry, the corners are bad on it. Which, that's Crown Royal. It happens. It's a tough one to get a good grade with. I was happy with a 9, to be honest. I pulled that. A little 9.5. That's a true 9.5. Every single one's a 9.5. But enough about that. All right. I hope if you guys worked out any trades, you got them, because I don't want to waste any more time. I want to get going here. I know a lot of people have been waiting all day to see this. I have Jacob. Let me see here. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Nothing I want to do more than pull you guys something amazing. All right, it looks like we got a red wave coming up, and it looks like it is a courtside. All right, we got Kevin Knox, Batadze rookie, and an Isaiah Thomas Premier for the Wizards. Pashal and a Jokic. Kevin Porter Jr. Tremont Waters. Admiral Schofield rookie for the Wizards. This might be a Wizards box. Naz Reid rookie and a Cam Reddish. One thing I've noticed with this Tmall is it is very rookie friendly compared to regular select, which may or may not be a good thing depending on what you're after, but I like the rookies. All right, we got Kawhi. Looks like we got a gold wave coming up. Who is it? Ooh, Trae Young. Congrats, Atlanta. Big hit. That is a good hit for Atlanta. Get you sleeved up right now. That's a courtside too. Beautiful hit. That is a good looking card. Big hit. Congrats. All right. We got a Jarrett Culver and a Carson Edwards. See, look at that. It's almost all rookies and then a good vet. And a Nicholas Claxton, if I didn't call that out already. Oh, sorry. Let me see. Let me get my angle here. How's that should work? Yep, you guys just talk to me. I'm listening. Ooh, there we go. Zion, #1. Carson Edwards, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Another Pelican. Jason Tatum, Buddy Hield. I'm hoping you guys, let me see if I can, looks like you guys can see it better now. Sekou Doumbouya, Chris Paul, Kyle Guy for the Kings. Not a bad hit. Nice rookie. Jalen and an Embiid. RJ. Got a nice RJ. Lillard, Porzingis, Prism. Bradley Beal, and another Trae Young. Yeah, these packs don't want to rip easily. Let's see, Kabangali, Grant Williams, Jason Tatum. There's a good hit for the Celtics. And another Tatum. And then Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. This feels like it might have a thick card in it, so good luck. Oh, yeah. Isaiah Roby. De'Aaron Fox. Oh, it's a spacer. Ugh. And a Josh Richardson for the Philadelphia 76ers. That's a red wave. Those are the Tmall exclusives there. Them in the gold. Quindary Witherspoon and a Jackson Hayes. All rookies. So we should get 3 golds total out of these 3 boxes. So we should have 2 more coming. All right. Jalen Noel, rookie. Dylan Windler, Naz Reid, Bradley Beal, and a Lucas Simonic Premier. Dang, all these packs are just not wanting to rip. All right, we got Derrick Rose. Here comes our next gold. John Wall, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Right team, wrong player, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Very good looking card. Jarrett Culver, Alexander. Man, I would have died if that was a Zion or a Ja. Cody Martin, Andre Drummond, Eric Paschall for the Golden State Warriors. Zach Norvell Jr., Lakers, Mo Bamba. Yeah, that optic I got coming, I mean, that's good stuff too. Tmall, it's just got a nice little difference to it. Ooh, there we go. There's a Ja Morant base. Got a Cam Reddish Prism. Jamal Murray and a Ricky Rubio. Victor Oladipo, DeAndre Ayton, Keldon Johnson. See, there you go. There's your Spurs. Red Wave. That's a good hit. Sure if you can see that well or not. Nice prism. That is a concourse. Luka and a Karl Anthony Towns. No, nothing crazy on the Lakers yet. I think he just likes his Lakers. I'm a Lakers fan. I get it. Paul George, Lonzo Ball, Buddy Hield. Come on. Paschall, Jokic. Nasir Little, Bruno Fernando, Marvin Bagley. You're going to have like all the Kings. DeMar DeRozan, Cam Johnson, Suns. But, I mean, this stuff is rookie heavy. Yeah, if they're having any kind of video issues, let me know, but I will upload all this to YouTube when it's over. It should be perfect, and then this will get finalized and be clear when it's all done, if it is at all blurry. Marvin Bagley, another Keldon Johnson. Ooh, nice. Steph Curry Prism. That one's very well centered. That is a nice example of a select card. Jalen LeCue and a Andrew Wiggins Premier. I don't know if I've seen that one yet. That's a good looking card. Keldon Johnson again. Taco Fall. Miles Bridges. Oh. I mean, I'm happy for everyone to get what they get, but I want to pull something big here. Chris Middleton. Ty Jerome. Romeo Langford, D'Angelo Russell, Mike Conley for the Jazz, Red Wave, courtside. CJ, Chris Middleton. DeAndre Ayton, Marvin Bagley, RJ Barrett Prism. There you go. That is a premier level too. Beautiful card. That's a hit. Congrats, Knicks. That's one of those guys that still has a huge ceiling. Bam. Very nice hit. CJ Bam Adebayo. Dang, every single pack. Taco Fall again. Russell Westbrook. Trae Young. Red. Ooh, Atlanta is making out. That is just a good looking card too. Man, both court sides you got a red and a gold. Those are basically the two best Trae Youngs in the whole set, outside of like a gold numbered. Big hit Atlanta. Beautiful card. Nas Reed, Cam Reddish. All right, Rudy Gobert, Daniel Gafford, Karl Anthony Towns. That's a good hit. That's a good prism. Take that. Timberwolves, nice little hit. Got another CJ and a Lauri Markkanen, premier level. I'm sure most of you want your base cards, but if you don't, just let me know. I have no problem not shipping them, but I'm sure you want them. Hardly anyone tells me they definitely don't. Blake Griffin, James Harden, Quindary Witherspoon for the Spurs. Nice prism. I think that's two good ones for him so far. Ty Jerome and a Miles Bridges. All right, Russell Westbrook, Gavingali, CJ McCollum for the Trailblazers. Quindary Witherspoon again and a Devin Booker. This is a thick one. Let's see if it's got a real one in there. See if I can tell. I can't tell. Bol. Nuggets. Jaren Jackson Jr. Grizz. Another spacer. Oh, we got a big one. Brandon Clark. Nice. That is actually a really good pull for you. Memphis. I know it's not Ja, but that is a good one to get. He's popular. Got a ton of upside. That is another one that's just a really clean looking card. I don't know the centering because I don't know how they score that one, but to me it looks damn near flawless, but that means nothing. And a Ty Jerome. Here comes another fat one. Oop, this one's real. All right, we got a Grant Williams. We'll pull it last. Look at that. Gavingali for the Clippers. That's a nice hit. He seems to be picking up steam as far as popularity goes. We got Jackson Hayes, Steph Curry, Grant Williams. Ooh, Isaiah Roby. Beautiful. Look at that. Red wave for the Dallas Mavericks. Very nice hit. Very nice hit. Right on. That is a good looking card. Congrats. Yeah, I'll top load everything. Don't worry. I'll do the hits as we go, but I will definitely sleeve and top load everything that's a hit. I do. It takes forever if I do it right now. Joel Embiid. Ooh, a Jackson Hayes prism. Nice. Another one for the Pelicans. Where's that jaw? Alexander Jokic. Don't forget, too, we still got Mosaic to go. I mean, we can pull anything at any time. You just never know. All right, we got a Nasir Little. Bruno Fernando. Ooh, there he is, you guys. There it was. It was worth it. Zion. Congrats. Yeah, definitely. I will get everything nicely sleeved up. If it's of any value beyond a base card, I'll take care of it. Don't you sweat it. Look at that. Zion. I got this card right now at PSA, that exact card. Ooh, your centering is like perfect. That is, whew, that's a good one right there. Congrats on that one. That's a hit. Terry Rozier, Jason Tatum. That is a good Zion. A PSA 10 of that is worth your spot tonight easily. Centering's the main issue on these cards, especially those premieres like that. They are tough. I've struggled with those. All right, you got a Jalen Noel. Ooh, we got another courtside coming up. Dylan Windler. Jokic. Nuggets. Darius Bazley and Kaziak Paula for the Heat. I believe, what do we have? One more gold out there? Let me get this one wrapped up. Maybe we'll get a gold jaw. Hell yeah. No, that's a big hit for you, man. That's a really clean looking Zion, too. I've seen a bunch, and that one is right up there with the good ones for sure. Rudy Gobert, Daniel Gafford, Russell Westbrook, Red Wave. He's not the most popular collectible guy, but you know what? That's a good card regardless. Brazdikis and a Brandon Clark. Nice. I like Brandon Clark a lot. I think he's one of those guys that's going to be 4 or 5 years from now, these rookie cards are going to be worth a ton. He and Ja both. I think they're both studs. All right, we got Derrick Rose, John Wall, Jarrett Culver. Nice, that's a good rookie. That's a nice prism. Jordan Poole and Giannis. Yeah, congrats, Max, I'm happy for you. I'm glad you hit. That worked out well. Pascal Siakam. Ooh, there he is. LeBron, even though it's a base. And another Steph. I think that's 2 of those now, isn't it? Maybe I'm wrong. Jamal Murray, Kevin Durant. But a nice Steph Prism is a good card. I pulled a tie-dye and sold it for like $300. Just instantly regretted it. I wish I still had it. It was a courtside tie-dye. Julius Randle. There we go. My man right there. Harrow. Ooh. And a beautiful Darius Garland. There you go, Cavs. DeMar DeRozan and a Cameron Johnson. I'm going to say we're almost 50-50. Stars and rookies. This stuff is just loaded like that. Paul George, Lonzo Ball, Shea Alexander. That's a good bet, though. Nickeil Alexander-Walker right behind him, and a Kyle Kuzma. What is that, our second Laker this whole time? It's crazy. 1 LeBron. What's even crazier is what LeBrons go for. I mean, it's unbelievable. All right, Justin Robinson. There's another jaw. That's number 2. That one's really clean. And Hassan Whiteside. There you go, Trailblazers. Just what you wanted, I'm sure. Kyle Guy, rookie. Kevin Durant. We should have 1 more gold coming up here. Unless I miscounted. We've already hit 3. Not this pack. Got another Bowl. Jaren Jack and a Bradley Beal Prism. Trae Young, Damian Lillard. I think that's the first Lillard I've seen. All right, fellas, last pack of Select. Tmall. This closes out my case. Ooh, I see Kobe White. And we got a spacer and a gold. All right, we got Sekou Doumbouya. Chris Paul, a fake out, and a DeMar DeRozan gold. So there you go, Spurs. You had a good night. Donovan Mitchell and a very, very clean, good-looking Kobe White. So congrats there. Set these right back here. And we're going to tear into some Mosaic now. Yeah, look at all that. There's a lot of hits in that Select. I definitely like Select. It's an expensive product, but it's I mean, honestly, I like it more than Prism as far as the look goes. Prism's worth more. But as far as looking at it, I think Select is one of the better looking brands, period. Get a look at that Zion again. That is just a good looking Zion. Roby, Clarkson, Trae Young, RJ, Trae Young, DeRozan, Alexander Walker. Some decent hits for sure. And some good base rookies. One LeBron. Now this stuff here, holy crap, these packs are just like, there's so many cards in these. Let's just see if I can get each box and we'll put them in their own stack and see what happens there. I pulled a really nice jaw Prism out of these, and it's in at PSA as well right now. I should have it back in a week or two. I'm very curious to see how that one goes. Probably be a 9. That's just how it goes. A 10 would be great, but we'll see. All right, fellas, here we go. This stuff's so heavy on rookies as well. I'll just kind of breeze through the vets. Rose, Monk, there's a Vucevic, Mosaic. What are these called? The blues? They are the reactive blue. All right, there's a Batum, Grant Williams, Cam Johnson, Isaiah Roby. I don't know if you guys have broken any of these, but there are a lot of cards. Bridges, Og Anabi, I can't even, Bam Adebayo. I'm not even sure how you say his name. There's a nice Cody Martin rookie. Give and Go, Bradley Beal. Darius Bazley rookie. Kevin Durant. I think there's one of these USA basketballs in every pack. And a Kello Melly. Kyle Anderson, Paul George, Lonzo Ball. Very nice Jason Tatum. Ooh, nice. Allen Iverson. Not numbered, but very cool. There's a LeBron. Brandon Clark, Melly. I don't know who has the Cavs without looking at the list. I never print a list because I'm just going. Porzingis, Gordon, PJ Tucker, Jeremy Lamb, Karl Anthony Towns. Where's that going to go? Right there. PJ Washington, Charles Barkley Hall of Fame. Looks like that goes to the Sixers, and a Rui Hachimura. Yeah, I don't think we saw a Rui last box. Not one Rui, yeah, not one. That's crazy. Well, congrats, you got a Rui now. You got a Rui, and I think you got an Isaiah Thomas Red Wave. All right, Julius Randle, Jeremy Grant, Ben Simmons, Jeff Teague, Bruce Brown for Detroit, Pat Ewing, Kobe White, very nice, very nice. And a Steph Curry MVP. Dylan Brooks, Kevin Hunter, I believe is a Herter. Russell Westbrook, Jarrett Culver, very nice rookie. Drew Holiday. Zion, we got him. Darius Garland, Bruno Fernando. I'm not exactly sure what one of these is base Zion's goes for, but I'm sure it's every bit of in the $50 to $100 range for sure. Yeah, I bought a case of top loaders and a case of penny sleeves. You would not believe how many sleeves you go through breaking. It's crazy. Or how many penny sleeves are in a case. There's like over 1,000. It's insane. But I bet I burned through them. All right. Serge Ibaka. Paul Millsap. DeAndre Ayton. Ooh, very nice. Vince Carter. Iverson. Zion, number 2. There you go. Yeah, where are them Spurs at, right? Maybe that we'll pull. The cool thing about this Mosaic too is I can pull a. There's those very low numbered, or they're not even numbered, but these still have the nice inserts like that. Unlike the Select doesn't have as many on the Tmall. You don't get like the very low numbered stuff. I've been really good with these megas though, and they're easy to get, and I just like offering them to you guys, and everybody seems to like them, and we got a couple coming up here. Mello, Josh Richardson, John Collins, Landry Shamet. Everyone wanted that card. Taj Gibson, this is a true Prism Mosaic there. Not numbered, but I mean, those are cool looking cards. I can see the draw. Julius Erving, Hall of Fame. Tremont Waters, PJ Washington, NBA debut. Just remember, this is still box number 1 of the 3. There's so many cards in these. All right, Cody Zeller, whoever that was. Miles Turner. And there you go. There's your Patty Mills. You got something, Spurs. We got a Zach LaVine, Taco Fall, Iverson Hall of Fame, and a Jalen Noel rookie. Well, anyone rookie hunting, you definitely got a bunch of rookies tonight, depending on your team. There are a lot of rookies in this stuff. LeBron, Gallinari, Bobby Portis, Bradley Beal, Giannis. That is not a Prism, but still a cool looking card. Will to win. Ty Jerome, and a Dominique Wilkins. Nice little blast from the past. All right, there was box 1. Here's box 2. There's Patty Mills again. Tristan Thompson, Brooke Lopez, Aaron Barnes. Ooh, LeBron got game numbered to 99. Beautiful. Ooh, big hit, big hit, big hit. That could have possibly paid for your evening right there. I gotta grab some sleeves real quick. Big hit though. Nice Rockets. Yeah, there's been, you had some last hit if you weren't here. You had some. Pretty sure you got a Russell Westbrook. That is a nice LeBron. Any numbered LeBron out of Mosaic is just, I mean, that is huge. Big hit. Congrats. And, sorry, Jackson Hayes, Carson Edwards, and a Scottie Pippen. USA Basketball. All right. Jeff Teague. Anthony Davis. That might be the first Anthony Davis. Schroeder. Matisse Thybulle rookie. Beautiful. I really like that card. I've got a good collection of him going. KG. Kendrick Nunn. That's a good one for the Heat. Wilt Chamberlain for the Lakers. I'm just going to put him down here with LeBron and a Bol. I don't think Bol has hit any good numbers yet as far as being collectible, but man, I've pulled a lot of Bols. If he does, I'm in the money. All right, we got a nice Giannis, Taj Gibson, Aaron Barnes. Ooh, beautiful. Very nice. Damian Lillard. Love Lillard. Aaron Gordon, Harrow, RJ Barrett, and a Magic Johnson. Yeah, if the Lakers guy isn't watching, he will be. That's a good one, man. I love when people, I like getting the email in the middle of the night and finding it in the morning like, oh my God, I just watched. It is cool. Augustine, Jaylen Brown, DiVincenzo, DiVincenzo, I don't know. That guy. That is actually a really good looking card though. There's a James Harden. There's our boy. RJ and a Terrence Davis. I have not pulled many Terrence Davis rookies. Yeah, that's a clean looking jaw. It's got some sort of little scuff on it there. That might be factory. Let's see if I can get it off. Oh yeah, it came off. Just a little fuzz. Very nice jaw. Card number 219. Yeah, the stream will be on Facebook, plus I will upload it to YouTube. I put the link, I believe is in the other video. If I remember, I'll put it in this one when it's all over and you can find it. And then if you want, you can just join the page and see all the breaks from here on out. I've got more. I got Optic coming. I got more football coming. I got baseball coming. I got all kinds of cards coming our way. So there'll be tons of more breaks. There's a Langston Galloway, Donovan Mitchell, another Tyler Harrow, one of my favorites, Hall of Fame, John Stockton, and a Matisse Thybulle again. Yep, I will get all these uploaded when it's over. I had multiple breaks tonight, so I haven't done the football video yet, if you were a part of that. Jaren Jackson, Bogdanovich, Brandon Ingram, boom, Tyler Harrow. Look at that, little mosaic action. And a Daniel House Jr. for the Rockets. Not the Rocket you were looking for, but you got a nice prism. And an Admiral Schofield, a Kobe White, NBA debut, and a Terrence Mann, rookie. Ooh, I see another jaw. D'Angelo Russell, Hamidou Diallo. Ooh, look at this. What do we got here? Tony Snell, of all players. Auto. Tony Snell, though, but whatever. Maybe you're a huge Tony Snell fan. If so, congrats. As you just got an auto of Tony Snell. Ooh, look at this. A nice Jaylen Brown. And a nut. Wow. We got another Mosaic behind that. And it's a PJ Washington. Very nice card. Oscar Robinson, Kyle Guy, and there he is. Jaw. So each box has had a pair of Jaws. Now we have one pair of Jaws and one pair of Zion. Each box had a pair of each. Caldwell Pope, Brian Ford, Landry Shamet, Taj Gibson again. Hope you like Taj Gibson. Kyrie Irving, Cody Martin, Vince Carter, and a Jarrett Culver. Finney Smith, Jeremy Lamb, Bradley Beal. Ooh, very cool for the Jazz. Nice John Stockton. I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Lillard. Another Wilt Chamberlain, but that one's for the Sixers. Darius Garland, Taco Fall. Final pack of box number 2. Yeah, it's unbelievable how expensive, even through my distributor, Mosaic hobby is right now. It's way up there. It's not even worth buying. You guys are better off buying a box on eBay. You could probably get it cheaper than I can. It's crazy. Langston Galloway, Tobias Harris, Stornsky. Never even heard of that guy. Here we go. Jackson Hayes. It's a good little rookie. NBA debut. Pelicans. Van Vliet for the Raptors. Another Charles Barkley, USA. Another Jackson Hayes and a James Harden MVP. All right, here's our final box, fellas. CJ DeRozan. Ooh, look at that. Spurs. You couldn't keep your mouth shut. There you go. Beautiful. Keldon Johnson. Look at that. All Spurs. I guess you just got to make noise and you get them. I dig it. It's not numbered, but it's still super cool. Keldon Johnson scripts. Congrats. And then look at that. Right behind him, we got a Kareem. Bam. And then another one. We got here Aaron Barnes. Pat Ewing, Hall of Fame. Right there. Quindary Witherspoon and a Kendrick Nunn. Yeah, I would say Spurs did pretty well. I can't remember what you went for, but I know Spurs is not one that goes for a tremendous amount. Anytime you can get a nice haul, that's good. Kemba, Bruce Brown, Gordon Dragic. Ooh, Kelly Oubre Jr., Gordon Dragic again. Put him over there for the Heat. Keldon Johnson, Brandon Clark, Ignis. Yeah, this stuff is just, there's so many rookies on these. It's pulling that prism. And Dwayne Wade's in this set. Glenn Robinson, Jokic, Booker. We got a Bogdanovich. Got game Kawhi Leonard, Jordan Poole, Batadze, and a Dwayne Wade. All right, Tim Hardaway Jr., Spencer Dinwiddie, Malcolm Brogdon, Eric Gordon. There you go, Rockets, sorry. Moses Malone, Eric Paschal, another Kareem, and an Admiral Schofield. Yeah, if Admiral Schofield ends up being a stud someday, I'm going to be lucky with him too, because, man, I've pulled a lot. Yeah, there you go. I'm glad for you, man. That honestly, I hadn't pulled a auto yet, and we pulled 2 tonight out of this set. So I'm happy for you. We got a vet and a rookie. And I've opened quite a few boxes of these, but I've never bought a solid case to where I work through a whole case. I always just buy like a couple boxes here and there. I like adding them as a kicker because they're not expensive and there's some good hits and they make people happy, and that's what I want. Rozier, Lowry, Murray. Ooh, oh, I thought that was Jaw. But it's Jaron Jack. Not a bad hit. Clyde Drexler. There's a Luca for you. Magic Johnson. Kai Bowman. Man, that is one you just don't... I have not seen a lot of Kai Bowmans. Maybe one. Yeah, I'm happy for you, man. That Keldon Johnson, he's probably... Him or Luca are the better of the two on that team, rookie-wise. Valanciunas, Healed, Smart. Tyus Jones. Ooh, I thought that... I keep thinking these are prisms, but they're not. Pascal Siakam. There's a Giannis MVP. Nasir Little with a haircut. If you guys haven't seen that yet, it's pretty cool. And a Cam Reddish. There he is. Luca. Fournier. James Harden. Admiral Schofield rookie. Got Game Embiid. Cam Johnson, Pete Maravich, Cam Reddish again. Hopefully Cam Reddish pans out. This rookie class has so much talent, and Ja and Zion are just stealing all the thunder. Morris, Sark, Drew Holiday, got a John Wall, and a CJ. Damn you, CJ. Pulled so many Prism CJs. Carter, Culver, and another Chamberlain. 2 more packs, guys. We've almost made it. Montrezl Harrell, Chris Paul, Alfred Payton. Ooh, very nice Kobe White. Very nice Kobe White. Tracy McGrady, another Kobe White. Congrats, Bulls. Terrence Mann. Oscar Robertson. Final pack, fellas. Good luck, everybody. Be crazy if it's a Ja Zion pack. Or Cody Martin. Whoever. Jay Crowder. Bembry. Willie Cauley-Stein. D'Angelo Russell. You rascal. Oh, look at that. A Karl Anthony Towns green. I believe these are numbered. No. It is not, but it is still very cool. Very cool. Kyle Guy. Ah, we got Ja. Got another Ja and a Cody Martin. All right, I got a long night of sorting ahead of me here, but thanks everyone for joining. Happy for you if I pulled something. If I didn't, we've all been there, man. I feel your pain. But congrats. I feel good. We got some Jaws, we got some Zions, we got some LeBrons. There's value in all this stuff. I will get this stuff out as soon as possible. Probably Monday, obviously, because mail doesn't go out on Sunday. I got a lot of sorting to do, so you guys have a good night, and thanks for joining.